I shall show how to create a student marksheet. First, we select all the cells from Hindi to history. Now write the formula equal to rand between first bracket open 0, comma 100 first bracket close, enter. Press Ctrl D, press Ctrl R, press Ctrl C, right click, click value. Now select all the cells from Hindi to total. Press Alt equal. Now here I write the formula to calculate average equal to average. Select the cell from Hindi to history. Hit close. Here average has been calculated. Here I shall calculate percentage equal to total marks divided by 500 because there are 5 subjects and each has 100 marks into 100. Enter. Here percentage has been calculated. Max. Here I shall show the highest marks in which subject equal to max. Select the cells from Hindi to history. He has got 81 in math, which is highest. Mean. Here I show the lowest marks in which subject equal to mean. Select the cell from Hindi to history. Arun has got lowest marks too in Hindi. Here I shall calculate grade. Condition of grade has been given here depending on percentage. So here I write the formula equal to if first bracket open percentage greater than 90 comma inverted comma a plus inverted comma close comma if first bracket open percentage greater than 80 comma inverted comma open, it will be a comma if first bracket open percentage greater than 70 comma inverted comma open, it will be b plus inverted comma close comma if first bracket open percentage greater than 60 comma inverted comma open, it will be b inverted comma close comma if first bracket open percentage greater than 50 comma inverted comma open, it will be c plus inverted comma close comma if first bracket open percentage greater than 40 comma inverted comma open, it will be c inverted comma close comma otherwise it will be d. Here I shall close 6 first bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6 because here 6 if has been used. Press enter. Now you see the grade has been calculated here.